All right, traders, it's Monday, June 8th, after the big sell-off. I want to make sure that everyone is very careful now what we're going to do next. I'm going to be trading. The market's chopping around. Remember that trading is risky. Please don't trade with funds you cannot afford to lose. If the market's chopping around, especially for the new traders, we are not going to touch this market until it becomes very clear the market has recovered and it's starting to go up. That by itself is not enough. I'm using the blueprint, the trade scalper, the Sonic, and the Atlas line to tell me what to do next. So far, I see an Atlas line long signal. It's not enough. I want to see something else telling me that the market's going to continue higher. For those of you who are in our program, our accelerated mentorship, you have all our software. And so remember, wait until you see a few of the day trade to win methods all indicating to go long or to go short. But right now, since we have another long signal here that just popped up, this is the blueprint. I think this is now a good opportunity to go long. So we're going long the market. I have a stop. I have a target. You should always have a stop and you should always have a target. This is really, really important. Never trade without a stop and a target because the market is chopping around. Now, again, for the new traders, start off with the micros. You can trade the NASDAQ or the micro E-mini, but start slow and small. This is a great opportunity since the market sold off. Usually, when the market sells off, it's not a continuation. We have a rebound, and that's what I'm hoping that will happen. So regardless, I'm long E-mini S&P. I'm using the Atlas line, the trade scalper, the blueprint, the at the open, the Sonic system. I forgot to mention that I'm using the Sonic system as well. So I'm going to hold on to this trade not longer than 20 minutes to 30 minutes max on a day trade. I'm using a 1-minute chart. You can use a 5-minute chart or 3-minute chart, 10-minute chart. But I think that a 1-minute chart gives us a good perspective on the signals and what the market is doing. If you haven't already opted in to a free member account, for any new trader who wants a free member account, you can get some free software, some free courses, some free videos, start your day trading journey off in the right direction. For those of you who don't know me, my name is John Paul, the founder of Day Trade to Win. We focus on stocks, futures, CFDs, really day trading any market. We focus on price action, and we have proprietary software that we've developed over the years. Typically, what we look for is an opportunity when all of the signals aligned, and we just have popped up here a Sonic system long. So we have now the Atlas line, the blueprint, the Sonic system. Everything is focusing here to the long side. Now, it doesn't mean the market's not going to stop us out, but it means that on our side, the direction based on the software, the signals at Day Trade to Win, we are indicating to the long side. And that's the main reason why I'm going long. So if you don't have the software, you're really missing out on not getting the best opportunities to find pinpointing where you should go long, when you actually should stay out of the market if things are conflicting. And based on price action, we don't want to hold on to any of these trades longer than needed. I'm looking for maybe $800 to $1,000 today. It could take about 2 to 3 trades to do that, especially if you have a loss and you have to recover. But typically with this kind of volatility, if the market is in a trend or if the market is strong enough where every trade can make $300 or $400, it doesn't take that many trades to make $1,000. I do recommend, though, that after 3 or 4, maybe 5 trades, that you reevaluate where you are. If you're still up, I would say stop. We don't want to overtrade. If you're down for the day, I would also say stop because maybe the day is just chopping around. It's a very difficult day. So on a day like today where I look for 2, 3, 4 of the methods all aligning in my direction, I want to take that. I want to see if I can make at least $1,000, $500 to $1,000, and then reevaluate. After 2 or 3 trades, I have a better perspective on where I am. The same goes for stock traders. If you're trading stocks, if you're trading CFDs, if you're trading on a prop firm account as well, overtrading is a big problem. We don't want to overtrade. So in this case, I have everything aligned in my favor. I want to go long, hit the target, I'm out of the trade, I'll look for the next trade. Again, if the market starts to go down, which it could, then I'll look for short trades, but only if I have 2, 3, 4 of the methods all aligning to the short side. And then we reevaluate. As the day progresses, into the afternoon, things could change. The market could slow down, the market get more volatile, there could be news. So you always have to be aware of what's happening, and the signals at Day Trade to Win, the systems will actually tell you the entry, the target, the stop, and whether or not, really important, you should even be trading. If you have any questions, visit daytradetowin.com, get a free member account, subscribe to the Day Trade to Win YouTube channel. We put out videos almost every day. We try to teach you the best way to approach these markets, especially during these volatile times. Until next time, my name is John Paul. Good trading. Visit daytradetowin.com and get started with price action trading with our award-winning software for NinjaTrader and TradingView.